Wow! Ndingbo. Good evening. Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Biafran supporters. Good evening. A very quick one. Remember my word since last year. Remember my word since last year. That this year, 2025, is going to be very, very tough. That was a warning. That was a warning. That this year is going to be very, very tough. Do you know why? Some of you didn't know why we begin to warn you since last year against this year. We warn you so that you will be conscious of everything that will happen or that is happening now and the one that will happen in future. We give you this warning because of to avoid you being in danger. That was why we warn you ahead of time for you to prepare yourself. But some of you think that it was a joke. Now, see the reason why I say this year is going to be very, very tough to Biafrans is because of Biafra has a just last gear. Now we are on a very last stage of our total freedom. Biafra was redeclared last year, November. I've also explained the meaning of redeclaration. Some of you did not believe that declaring a state simply means war. And most of you did not believe in war. You think that it's just a joke. It's not a joke. It means war. As long as you declare, it like, I don't want to dwell on. It's like a child who feel that he is up to the stage of getting married or having his own family. The moment you show to your parent that you are a man, you can run your family, that moment you are telling your parent that they can no longer give you shelter, sponsor you, or provide anything for you. That you are a man of your own. That is what it means. But anything that comes your way, you are ready to face it. Any challenge that comes your way, you will face it squarely. Now, that is what it means, and that is the reason I told you that the restated of Biafra simply means war. We will fight serious war to ensure that Nigeria leave our territory. We will fight serious war to prevent them killing us. We will fight serious war to stop them killing our sisters, our mothers, our friends, our relatives. We will fight serious war to ensure that there will be no presence of Nigeria or whosoever that is against Biafra in Biafra territory. Some of you were thinking that is a joke. Now, let me also tell you this also, that Islamic State have also decided to ensure that this 2025 they Islamize every piece of the zoo called Nigeria. They are also determined two things they will spread: Islamic court, and ensure that they Islamize you by fire, by force. So they will do everything to ensure that they gain ground. Why? Because Trump, who is anti-Muslim, have taken over America again. And so they don't want, they know each day Trump exists on the throne or on the seat of America is a danger to them, is to stop their plan, eradication of Islamic State, So therefore, they are also step up their game to ensure that before Trump will face Nigeria, they have already gamed what they were planning for. So therefore, the question I'm asking you, what is also your own plan? Remember, I warned you since last year. Stop the gossip. There is something on the ground we need to face. Stop the gossip you didn't want to hear. Now it is you that are posting video everywhere. Oh, when will this stop? When will this stop? I pity you. I pity you. Now another bill have been passed yesterday. Look at the bill. Somebody who called herself a leader passed yesterday. He said Biafra should defend herself. Biafrans should defend herself with what? I don't want to talk about that. I know you will come to this stage. Believe you me, I'm not interested in whatever bill somebody or any person or any group of people pass. But what I want you to know is that, you see, Biafra must be protected by all means. In case you are not ready for what is coming again, the bigger things are coming again ahead of you. You must be prepared. Do not say I did not warn you. You know, whenever I come here, I will tell you my own peace of mind. And if General Butuzo send me a message, I will also tell you, deliver his message direct. But do not forget that it is he who stay alive, stay to fight for another day. Somebody, you people were busy giving men on ground name, calling their name, trying to discourage them. You did not know you are doing that for your own head. You think you were doing me? I'm already in the bush. He who is already down, fear no fall. That is the proverb that I've been saying since. The person don't dey down already. You know they fear for. Now person will stand now in the fear for. I dey bush. I dey bush. Now you, where they outside. Now you supposed to fear death. I'm already a dead man. I'm already a dead man. So when you are talking rubbish, I will just be looking at you. Say, do you really understand the danger ahead? Because if you understand the danger ahead, you will know that there is no time to talk nonsense. You will do everything possible to ensure that these people, men on ground, protect you to the last. Now somebody is coming up to say, everybody protect yourself, oh, unborn children who dey inside belle, protect yourself, oh, woman, protect yourself, oh, this one, protect Biafran. We don't pass bill for you to protect yourself. Simply mean that Nigeria have the right to come inside market, shoot everything they see. Come inside church, shoot everything they see. Come on the road, shoot everything they see. Because you are failed. You're supposed to protect yourself. But our ancestors never leave us. That was why Nigeria state, the terrorist state, collect vote yesterday and today. They will come and they will die. No two ways about that. But I want you to be very, very careful. Because you must also protect yourself. That is number one. Your own safety started from you. When you see them, please avoid them. Give us a plain ground to battle with the enemies of Biafra. Within a short period of time, you will see them no more. We swear to God Almighty. Within a short period of time, you will see them no more. You will see them no more. It's true. Then carry weapon. Very nice weapon. It's true. many nations are pumping money into Nigeria to make sure say they defeat us. It is true. It is not a lie. It is true. We are fighting against war. The war, strong, powerful nation like Britain. It is true. But they do not strong past our ancestors. They can never win this war. Do you know why? Many of them are paid to come and fight us. You see us, we came with our heart. We came prepared. We came with our heart. We came strongly prepared. And Biafra is everything we have in this life is Biafra. Biafra is our life. Biafra is our religion. Biafra is our future. Biafra is the only thing we hold hands on in this life. So we can never let go. And that is why we will fight them. We will fight them and down. But we also want you to do us one thing. Stop mingling with Nigeria security people. Most of you now they give information when they come. Now they give information to them. And that is why they still stand that chance to kill you, because he who sell him brother, the buyer cannot trust him. Show me one saboteur that have ever succeed living his life normal in Nigeria, in anywhere. Saboteur. Anybody who sabotage his people can never live to enjoy that money. It can never. It have never happened. It will never happen. Judas Iscariot does not live to enjoy the money he sold his master. So waiting give you that moral, say you will stay to enjoy that money. A saboteur must die. And do you know what? Now saboteur they first die before even the enemy where him bring come. And that is why I tell you, you see hope. You see all the eastern governors and all the politicians, leave them. Their fate is waiting for them. They know their fate. I'm not here to say again. I've said it for a long time. But all of them are fighting as seriously to see that they stop Biafra. And I'm here to bet them with everything in life. Say, go and, if you know how to do juju, if you get money, go and do your juju. You know, go stop Biafra. They never born you. You see Biafra? It is stamped and approved. Spiritual and physical. The more you try to see if you can stop it, the more you will die. The more you try, the more you will fall. That is the truth. I swear. When I don't know what is coming, please secure yourself so that you will not be victim of these people. You see what they are doing. You see what they are doing. I cry since. Let's forget distraction. But we didn't. You now didn't want to listen. When Fulani was pushing into nearby station, nearby barrack, nearby abandoned building by your governors, I say these people are pumping machinery. Now they have been dropping weapon. The helicopter will come drop weapon for them to enter villages and then be killing. Now it is now your eye clear you and you are shouting. We try our best to ensure that this never happen. We try our best. Some of you were, I remember when some of you were always calling, who are we going to, where are we going to contribute? Where? We are very stubborn. Biafra are very, very stubborn. But my prayer is this, oh God, may this our stubbornness, no kill us finish. May this our stubbornness lead us to a better place, because I mean, you people stop that gossiping. Remain focused. I told you, anybody you send your money, whether you are with Ngozi or you are with Ngele, their goal and their mind is supposed to be for Biafra liberation. And if they could not provide, find out, ask question, the money we send, where in they go. And general come up the other time, tell you, say it's only one source money, they try a little. Now only one side they provide things where in it. And then it could have been your best interest to ask the other side, please see the information we get. How come? You know, ask question. And do you think that we do not have, let me tell you, let me shock you people. Somebody came here and somebody carved out my general voice, General Butuzo voice. He did not play the full details of the conversation, where he say he rather take money from the other side and stay alive to fight Biafra. But how come, how did that war start? He did not play the full voice, where person was trying to convince him. Why don't you work with Ngozi so that you know, say you go the reason? Must you convince somebody? We are spirit. The spirit of Biafra lead us well. They know they mislead us. So anywhere that spirit say kill up, we know that is the best interest for us. If you have having Biafra interest at heart, if you are having Biafra interest at heart, even though you and your brother are not agree, in whatever way where you not agree, will you allow it to affect the purpose why we are here? But you are looking for somebody you will control. You take a step backward. We say no. See, before the arrest of before the calling on question of PM, he have already give us template of what we will play. Everything from A to Z. Our duty, our assignment, our work, our mission have already been given unto us. Only what was remaining is material. You don't know that? So there is no other instruction you will come and give us. There is no other command, no other mission, no other thing where you go come and give us. Everything PM have already is a military man. You know that? So what is that thing where you really need to do with men on ground? Only duty where you owe men on ground is your money. Send that money to where then they buy material, make them deliver material to us. That is the only duty you hold us. Why do you want to talk to us? Why are you interested talking to us? There is an account creating for us. When we tender our request, oh, we lack this, we need this, we need this. If you can provide, you provide. If you cannot provide, you ask us to find out where can we get it, how much, and we will return back to you in that platform and say, this is what it costs. You provide for us. Somehow when we get that thing, we are okay. Ahead. You come, you want to talk to us, you want to tell us what to do. We have already know what to do. Our mission have been already defined, give us from A to Z. So some of it, that's why I say you came late. PM don't already prepare everything, finish. He just hand over to, he just go rest some more. May you see waiting you fit do. And look at how they mess up. The same of you that used to praise men on ground when PM was there. Just barely 3 months, you don't turn. The men on ground don't become kidnappers. Then don't become armed robber. Then don't become evil. Then don't become nonsense. Why evil no go before you? Why? Tell me the reason. You lose focus. Just a few. Small. Just, oh, God. Man. What the fuck? Within the twinkle of an eye, the same people that used to, you know, I really mean saying a person send us this work. We for don't leave this work for you, but no be you send us. Will you send us? So therefore we will do it till the end. Look at the insult. You are insulting my General Butuzo. You see, you get the way where God they take punish devil. All those distractions, where in line you? All those distractions, where in line you? It's just a simple question. All those distractions, I bet where in line you? Where in line you? All the distraction that you allow yourself to be distracted, where in line you? You can't stop Biafra. That is the truth. Please, we are on a serious war. A very serious war. Fulani blood in Igbo land have wake up to join their main brothers to fight us. Saboteurs have joined them. But the only thing we are begging of you is do not allow yourself to be an scapegoat. Please. Do not allow yourself to be an scapegoat. Avoid their miss. Avoid them. Stay afar from them. We will battle them down. We are winning. They are receiving it hot. So therefore, remain focused. Biafra is a step, just a step to take over to take full control of our land. As I told you, tomorrow is still more dangerous. Don't allow it to happen to your community before you now wake up. Okay? Don't spend your time much on social media listening to gossip. I come once in a while to update you and guide you. Please, stay safe for us. Now you be the reason why we live our life and choose to be in the bush, to ensure that you are safe, to ensure that you live and see Biafra, to ensure that equity and justice, you also witness it. That heaven, where your pastor they tell you it's only when you die you go see heaven. We want you to witness that heaven on earth. That is why we are doing what we are doing. Don't forget that Biafra mean love. We love you so much. Mean equity, mean justice, and mean progress. That is the meaning of Biafra. And we must get it all. We must get it all without single of it missing. We love you. No matter what. We love you. And we always love you. The highest sacrifice somebody can sacrifice in this life is to lay down his life for that which is love. If we didn't love Biafra, we couldn't have made this sacrifice. It's a highest sacrifice. But we do it happily because of the love we have for you. Whether you love us back or not, it's none of our business. But we must get this Biafra for you. That is our promise. Thank you very much. Please, the total war has been declared. Do not allow yourself to be an scapegoat. Walk with sense. Walk with sense, please. Avoid night movement. Avoid party. Avoid anything night, please. Please, I'm begging you, please. We must get to the end of this, and it must be this year. Stay safe. Stay safe. The God of our land, the God of our ancestors, the spirit of Biafra continue to guide and protect each and every one of you that believe in Biafra and also believe on us. What we need from you is your prayer. Okay? I told you your prayer also have a lot to do for us. If you have a money, you buy candle and incense, burn for us while you are praying. Our ancestors are using that your prayer to do a lot of things for us. And we will get there. We love you. Greeting from General Butuzo. He's a people general. He love you more. God bless you. And good evening from Biafra land.